Welcome everyone to the 114th Annual Delegates Meeting. You out there represent every corner of the state and every worker that we represent. Look around, introduce yourself to each other, and form connections while you're here.
It is an honor to be here with you as we meet to conduct important business and share our knowledge and experience with each other. We are all united in a mission to fight for the dignity and respect we know that we deserve. I hope that you got a lot of good information and new skills to bring back with you from our workshops earlier this week.
This convention is all about sharing of information, checking on each other, learning from each other. And when we are together, we are prepared. Together, we can take on management for stronger contracts. Together, we can fight the forces that want to make us less. Together, we can tell the makers of Project 2025 to go to hell.
Coming to our annual delegates meeting always amazes me because it reminds me that there's thousands of activists throughout CSEA who cared. We saw the Janus decision coming before 2018 and we adapted. We focused our efforts on going out and having conversations with members at their workplaces and homes. We focused on signing up every eligible new member through new employee orientation efforts. When members are engaged with us, we show our true strength.
There is strength in numbers. When union members join together to have their voices heard, they can achieve many things, such as a voice in equity in the workplace, fair wages, health care, and other benefits, and guaranteed pension. Enabling workers to come together as a powerful collective voice is crucial to building a stronger middle class. Educating members and officers is key to keeping our union strong and moving forward together.
As I introduce our first speaker for the day, I can say there has been no better champion for CSEA than she has been throughout her career. Join me in welcoming our governor, Kathy Hochul.
Hello, everyone. Hello, friends. Mary Sullivan, you are such an extraordinary leader. There's one thing that I've never, ever taken for granted, and that is members of unions like CSEA who are doing the work that make our state run. I want to make sure that people understand the nobility of a career in public service and all the services you provide. You're really the unsung heroes. You are the ones who make me proud and make this state function. And for that, I am here to just say, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll be there for you. You've been there for me. And let's continue to work together. Thank you, everyone.
You know, the last Gallup poll I saw showed like 71% of Americans view unions favorably. So from my perspective, it's a great time for you to be not only a union member, but to be a union activist and a union leader, as each and every one of you are. I will always stand with you shoulder to shoulder to protect your pensions, first and foremost, but also to ensure that you have dignity. Dignity in the workplace and dignity in retirement. So thank you, CSEA, for all you do to make the state of New York the great state that it is. Together, we're moving New York forward.
Government's role is to solve problems for people. In order for government to be successful, the people who work for that government must not only be successful, but must be respected as well. You're the ones on the front lines providing services to people who need them the most. You're the ones building the things we require and need. You're the ones driving and transporting us to the places we need to go, and you deserve to be respected. We are grateful for the work that you do, and we will continue to fight hard to be sure that you are respected and supported with good wages, good jobs, and good bosses. All critically important. May God bless you, and thanks very much.
We recently lost someone who has given so much to the labor and civil rights movement. Longtime former Secretary-Treasurer of AFSCME and co-founder of the Coalition of Black Trade Unionists, Mr. Bill Lucy.
Bill Lucy was a giant, a true giant of our movement. Few people have done more to advance the cause of workers' rights and human rights. This family, we call CSEA this family, we call AFSCME. What unites us is the unshakable belief that our union is a force for progress. Moving forward together, we will be CSEA strong. We will be union strong. If we are together, nothing can stop us. We can kick anybody's ass any time of the day. When we fight, we win. When we fight, we win.
I have been an officer and a member of this union for many, many, many years, and it's an honor to be your president. Every day, you have the lives of hundreds of thousands of members in your hands. You control the most important part of their life, their ability to support their families and live a good life. That I'm so proud that you do every day. Thank you. When we are together and unite for common causes, there is no limit to what we can do.